Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fil kalamil majid wal furqanil hamid. Ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're starting a very, very dangerous spiritual disease which is called arrogance, pride, kibr, ghurur. This is a very bad disease which make everybody shaitan. We should be very careful. So I am today quoting Quranic ayat mubarakah and hadith pak and few words about the definition in the first part. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فبئس مثوى المتكبرين. Enter in the gates of hell to live therein, and that is worst place to live in for the arrogant people. Surely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows who conceal or reveal what's in their heart. He does not love those who are arrogant. This is from Surah Nahl. إنك لن تخرق الأرض وَلَنْ تَبْلُغَ الْجِبَالَ طُولًا. Do not walk on the earth proudly. You cannot tear the earth, and you cannot even reach to the heights of the mountains. Surah Bani Israel. في مقام آخر قال الله تبارك وتعالى ولا تسعر خدك للناس ولا تمشي في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور. Do not turn your cheek away from the people, and do not walk proudly on the land. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like arrogant boasters. Of course, he hates them. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في مقام آخر سورة صاد قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. He said, Shaitan said, I am better than him, Adam alayhi salam. You created me from the fire, while you created him, yani Adam alayhi salam, of clay. في مقام آخر قال الله تبارك وتعالى لكي لا تعصوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا bima ataakum wallahu la yuhibbu kulla mukhtalin fakhur. Surah Al-Hadid. That you grieve not over what you lost. You have escaped. And do not be proud of what you have been blessed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves not self-admirer people, self-praising people who are suffering from the pride. Now hadith Pak, Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, La yadkhulul jannata man kana fi qalbihi mithqal dharratin min al-kibr. He will not enter the Jannah. He will not enter the Jannah in whose heart there is an atom weight particle, even smallest particle of arrogance in the heart. As Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Kibru Batarul Haqq Ghamtun Nas. Al-Muslim Tirmidhi Sharif. Arrogant is that who does not accept the truth and he devalue, underrate other people. There are a lot of other hadith Pak and Quranic ayat. I cannot cover all. Even one ayat, one command, and one hadith is enough for us to stop this kind of bad habit, bad disease. It's enough for us. But again, I quoted so many ayat-e-mubarakah and two hadith Pak. So what's the definition of arrogance? The definition of the arrogance: to consider others inferior, to devalue other people, to underrate others, as well as to condemn the truth and not ready to accept the truth. It's very good to have very good qualities in ourselves. We are supposed to have good characteristics, good qualities. And all good qualities what we have is a blessing and bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That not because of the result of our effort. Of course, we should make the effort. But who put life in the effort? Who accept that, our effort? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What is the reality of the arrogance? Shirk, to hold partner, somebody with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is a kabira, biggest sin. After shirk, the arrogance is the next bigger sin. This arrogance is the root of so many spiritual diseases: jealousy, too much anger, enmity in the heart, grudge in the heart. We should remember that the very first sin which was committed in the sky, by who? By Shaitan. It was because of his arrogance and jealousy. And the very first speech, very first word of arrogance, who spoke first? It was Shaitan and Iblis. And he said, I am better than Adam alayhi salam. I didn't worry about me. I am better than him. Ana khairun minhu. Ana is a sign of the arrogance. I am made of fire. He made of clay. And fire go up and the clay stay down. This stupid guy, he does not know that fire burns everything, finish everything, finish digging, and the earth gives you flower, fruit, crops. Subhanallah, help you build the houses. But he was blind with his quality of the anger. And remember that the very first big sin which was committed on the earth was also because of jealousy and the arrogance by Qabil, the son of Adam alayhi salatu wasalam, who was jealous, he was arrogant, jealous of Habil's wife. She was very pretty, when his wife was not so. So, he became arrogant. I will get her, no matter what. Because of her jealousy, his kibr, he killed his real brother. The very first murder which was committed on the earth, it was because of this bad spiritual disease of arrogance and jealousy also. And you see the jails, 75% jail, people who in the jail, they did bad act because of arrogance. Because anger. The murder happened because anger. And anger is the result of the arrogance. Let me tell you what are the signs of an arrogant person. Please, I check myself. You check yourself. I am giving you few tests. What are the signs of the mutakabbir person? May Allah SWT save from all of them. First sign, the arrogant person is very rough in talk, in disposition. Number two, the arrogant person is not ready to accept the truth. So truth will be like a daylight, and he will debate against that haqq and truth. Number three, his speech will be full of anger or pride. Number six, he will be very extremist in the anger. He will have disease of too much anger, uncontrolled anger. Number seven, the arrogant person, you will find him he is always extremist. Number 8, he thinks whatever trade he has, whatever education he has, whatever position Allah gave him, this is because of my effort, mine effort. He does not consider Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the giver of his bounty. Number 9, the person is arrogant. He always expects the service from other and respect from the other. And he is not ready to serve other and respect other. Number 10, he always expects that other people should say salam first. And he will never try to say salam first. No, the person says salam first. He get a lot of reward. MashaAllah. Number 11, non-believers who are arrogant, they are not ready to accept Islam. All non-believers are arrogant because they are not ready to accept the truth of Islam. Fir'aun first was Shaitan, biggest arrogant. Then Pharaoh, Haman, Abu Jahl, Shaba, Utbah, all these were arrogant. Number 12, these people had arrogant person, have too much love of the position, too much love of the dollar and money, too much love, height in the sex. And moreover, number 13, the arrogant person among the religious people. You will find arrogant people who say always the masalak what I have, madhab what I have, what fiqh I follow, that is the only true. He will not respect other Aimma Karam. Only Imam what I follow, he is high, I am high. He has no love in the heart about other Aimma Karam, though, or Masalik or Haqq. Abu Hanifa is a Haqq. Imam Shafi'i Rahmatullah is Haqq. Imam Malik is Haqq. Ahmad bin Hanbal is Haqq. Or Haqq. Only difference, one says this is Afzal, other says that is Afzal. A matter of Afzal, that's it. But there's no difference in the basic. Basic, my group, my program, my Jannat is the best only. That's the sign of the arrogance. Even the religious people, they should remember this hadith and Quran. Now I tell you, what are the reasons people become the arrogant? Because of wealth, because of a lot of knowledge, unsupervised knowledge. At this position, and some men and women, because of their beauty, they become arrogant. They should know that the beauty, a man is handsome, that's because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He made him handsome. A woman is beautiful, Allah subhanahu made her. There's no our share. So why we become arrogant? And as a result of that, the handsome husband does not respect the wife. A handsome woman, some don't respect the husband. because they are arrogant because of that, which is God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala given gift of beauty. Some people are arrogant because of their wrestling. They go to gym, they make their muscle, because when muscle become big muscle, they become arrogant. They walk like something, like a wrestler in the street. Some people become arrogant because he has 8 sons, 7 sons, 6 sons. Because Allah's given gift of the sons, they become arrogant. Some people become arrogant because of their family. I am from this dynasty, from this family, because of that. And some even spiritual people say, me, I am the student, Salek of this and this Sheikh. The Sheikh is very good, very big. I am also. The spiritual person be even. The Sufi are arrogant, become arrogant because of I belong to that Sheikh. Some people, because of their piety, their ibadat, they become arrogant. As I told, some because of spiritual chain, spiritual relationship, they show arrogance. These are the signs, reasons. Please, we check ourselves. I told you 14 signs of arrogant person. Please check yourself. I check myself. Take mark. If we see anything we do, please, we should do tawbah, and then we should repair ourselves. And inshallah, I will, second part of the bayan, inshallah, coming, in which next bayan, I will tell how to treat this disease, how to solve this problem, what is the remedy of this very spiritual disease. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Because people are suffering from corona, we should be very careful. We should wear always the mask and be very careful. Let's make dua. Allahumma inna na'udhu bika min al-barasi wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi al-asqam. Allahumma inna na'udhu bika min al-barasi wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi al-asqam. Allahumma inna na'udhu bika من البرص والجنون والجذام ومن سيء الأسقام. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, next inshallah will be part 2 of the Arrogance. Jazakallah khair.